left behind in the good old days, they just keep on coming. Yeah, we're moving on. Got the world with me and no place I'd rather be than rolling.
All right, so today's project is trying to fix the clear coat that's peeling off the top of our bus. What you've missed before I press play or record was I just taped off the area. So I'm going to be doing some wet sanding above that and then also trying to clear coat it. But everything we've read and saw and watched on YouTube was to do a little sample area first. I think I'm going to do this section right here. See, look how bad this is. So I got to sand this. Because it's so far on the top, I'm not going to worry about touching up the base coat. I'm just going to keep this one section and just re-clear coat it. It's a little lighter right here, a little faded because of the damage, but actually I'm okay with it. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. This little section right here, it's getting all this loose clear coat off. Cleaned this whole section already and washed it twice before I taped it off. So what I need to do is get that ledge so there's no bump there. So I'm going to wet sand it until that is smooth. All this extra flaky peeling skin, I gotta get that smooth so it doesn't peel anymore. But it's getting pretty smooth. It doesn't look smooth, but it's getting pretty smooth in there. Don't get too close, I'm sitting on top of the ladder. The next step is we're going to wash the area that we just sanded, and then also I gotta probably wash the whole front end of the bus because the bus is now pretty dirty, especially up there. Did a Windex on the windshield and then it's still dripping. So I'm gonna get up there with some soap and water and just wash it off, let it air dry. Wow, I had a half a bath. And we're gonna let it dry. This right here is the clear coat I got. Axe Clear Glamour. And all the directions. Protective mask. Not a big fan of masks. COVID ruined that for me. Shake it up and down for 2 minutes. Turn this down, take the little red thingy, and push it down. Shake for another 2 minutes, and spray. So this is my little cap that I'm supposed to be pushing on here. After 2 minutes, it's different. So we're gonna try it out. All right, it's been a little over an hour. I just went up top and checked it out, and the paint and everything is all dry. The roof is all dry. So now it's time to get this layer of clear coat on it. I've been shaking it for 2 minutes. Okay, that's it. Let's turn it upside down and push this there. Hold it there or just puncture it. But now I'm supposed to shake for another 2 minutes. So now it's been another hour. So it's been an hour since I put the clear coat on. So now I'm gonna do this polishing sandpaper. Before I was getting rid of the clear coat, I was doing a blending 1000 grit sandpaper. But now I'm going a little finer to do this polish coat. So it's 1500 grit. Smooth dust nibs paint runs in the clear coat. That's what I need to do. And then I'm probably gonna even spray one more layer of clear coat. We're gonna sand down some of these runs and rubs and stuff. So now we're just gonna give it a little buff. So now we're just coming to take a look. Start peeling some tape, hopefully. This is the part I don't like, is peeling tape on existing paint, because I never had the best of luck with it. Some people say frog tape, some people say 3M tape. This is 3M, and it's supposed to be for delicate surfaces. So I was thinking my existing good clear coat was a delicate surface, so I went with that one. So now I'm gonna grab some more tools and we're going to go up to the top and fix this little clearance light. It's not really that hard to climb up this ladder. It's just really that hard to climb up this ladder with a bad hip. Getting your feet that high. With a top-down view. Man, I'm thoroughly impressed. That clear coat job. My first time ever doing any type of clear coat. And although it looks a little rough, it's smooth and nice. Let's see what I'm up against here. So it's got a connection right here. But I don't even want to mess with this connection, so I'm just going to snip and splice right here like so. Yes, I know, once again, strippers. I have strippers down below. I just did not want to carry everything up here. Nuts. I'm just going to do good old electrical tape. Tape each one of them off separately and then together and make it pretty aerodynamic, even though it's better, but it won't pull out ever. One, and that's two, but these things are they're LED and it's so bright out here right now. I'm gonna have to wait until it gets dark out to come back out and test. So I'm gonna put it all together. It's supposed to be, and then I'll test it this evening in a few more hours when it gets dark out. But got a few projects done today, so I'm pretty happy with myself today. This is just an extra layer of tape as a connection together. And then your little grommet into the hole, rotation. Nice and easy, they say. What if I put the grommet in and tried to squeeze the light in? I think that will work. Now I feel like I'm doing communion at church. Oh, that was actually a freaking good idea. It worked. There we go. New old. Look at that. Man, that clear cut. Dry and nice. All my clearance lights are in, I should say. Tape is removed. That's all I got. Like and subscribe. If you think it came out okay, comment and tell me all the stuff I did bad. But it is what it is. Thanks for watching.